Hello, my name is Emike Oyemade, and I'm so super excited to share my devotion with you for this week, taken from the book of Galatians, chapter 6, verse 1. Now, this week devotion, it's about showing kindness. I want to encourage you to show kindness. Be gentle with people. The world is already in chaos. The country is already in a tough situation. You don't know what others are going through. Just as you are expecting people to be gentle and kind to you, also be gentle and kind to others. Use kind words. Use kind gestures. Go the extra mile. Smile. Help people. Encourage people. If they open up to tell you what they are going through, don't go back and backbite them. Don't go back and cast them down. Don't go back and use the information they have confided in you against them. Be nice to people. That is the hallmark of the believer. The believer is supposed to be a representative of Christ. And Christ will not gossip someone if they were to confide in him. So that's what the book of Galatians chapter 6 verse 1 tries to tell us. I remember some time ago, a woman called me for counseling because she was very bitter about the way a ministry had treated her. Now, when her daughter got pregnant out of wedlock, the daughter was severely dealt with. The daughter was punished. But she felt slighted because the leader who was in charge when her daughter got pregnant, her own daughter also got pregnant and felt that they treated her with a bit of levity, and she just felt that, well, because I'm not a church leader, my own daughter was severely punished, and because you are a church leader, your own daughter is not severely punished. My point is that the Bible says in Galatians 6 verse 1, dear brothers and sisters, if someone is caught in a sin, you who live by the Spirit, restore that person gently. But watch yourselves, or you also may be tempted. There are two important points in that verse 1 that I read. But the first point is, when you see a brother or a sister overtaking in a sin, don't make it a topic for gossip. Don't make it a topic of jesting. Sin is not something to jest about. It's a serious situation that God is not happy with. So if your brother or your sister is overtaken by a fault, why do you want to make it a gossip? The Bible admonishes us that if you are a spiritual person, you're born again, and you are a representative of Christ, your duty is to help see that that one forsakes this is or her sin and embrace Christ and is living victoriously. Don't think that you yourself, you're a superhuman. The example I gave, for instance, see someone who is involved in fornication and adultery. Instead of you making it a topic of gossip, a topic of discussion, how about making effort to reach out to that person and see if you can restore that person? Because the truth is that if you were in that kind of situation, how would you like to be treated? Now, it's easy to say, God forbid, I will never be overtaken by a sin. We live on planet Earth, and we still have flesh and blood. As long as you are on this side of life, you will be tempted. If you would expect that when you fall, you want to be treated gently, you should also reciprocate it to anyone who come your way. My dear friend, my admonishment for you this week is to deliberately be kind to people. Don't take advantage of people's weakness. Don't take advantage of people's secret. Don't take advantage of the detail you know about people. If you are a believer, think about what Christ would do if someone had confided a fault or a weakness in them. Christ would definitely help them not only keep their secret, but help them become better. That's what you should look out for this week. And I'm so convinced that God will bless you, because kindness is a fruit of the Spirit and a hallmark of the believer. I'll come your way again next week. Till then, stay blessed.